Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. To begin, let's explore basic navigation. Your watch features a classic rotating bezel for easy menu scrolling. Simply turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to navigate through various screens and options. You can also swipe across the vibrant display to access notifications, quick settings, and your app drawer. The two side buttons offer quick access to your home screen and customizable shortcuts, making interaction intuitive and efficient. Your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is a powerful health companion. It automatically tracks your daily activity, including steps taken and calories burned, helping you stay active. You can monitor your heart rate in real time and receive alerts for unusually high or low readings. Advanced sleep tracking provides detailed insights into your sleep patterns, while the body composition analysis feature offers a comprehensive view of your physical health, right from your wrist. It's designed to support your wellness journey. Beyond health, your watch keeps you connected. Receive and respond to messages and calls directly from your wrist, even when your phone isn't immediately accessible. With Samsung Wallet, you can make secure, contactless payments at compatible terminals with a simple tap. Access a wide array of applications from the Google Play Store, enhancing your productivity and entertainment. It seamlessly integrates with your digital life, offering convenience and control right at your fingertips. Personalize your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to match your style and needs. Choose from a vast collection of watch faces, from classic analog to modern digital, and customize complications to display essential information. Expand its capabilities by downloading new applications directly from the Google Play Store. With typical usage, your watch can last up to 40 hours on a single charge, and you can extend this further by enabling power-saving modes. Make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.